that your fuel?
No, I don't think so.
Is it just backfire?
Let's see if we crank it. If it fires up, if the pump's fuel, I mean.
Yep. All right, we're back. The weld's cracked all the way around. So we're just going to JB Weld. You can see on the left, there's cracks. The bottom cracked a little bit. The top one cracked. Where the hell am I? Top one cracked. This one is the only one I think that didn't crack. So we're just gonna slather JB. Just get it going. We got the marine grade JB Weld. Marine weld. And she'll be set. The block's popped out, so this one, like the block is separating from itself. So this one we're just gonna slather over the crack. I don't think there's anything else you can really do, unless you're to like cut it out with a grinder. But this one's arguably worse than the other side because how it cracked.
Yeah, it's not worse, it's good. Just means there's more coolant to be able to flow in there.
More water. More water volume.
It's basically just like shaving the engine bay. Just shaving the engine block, making it smoother. So, yeah, bring it over here, make sure we got this good.
I took a look at it, I didn't see anything. I think that's just rust water. Unless, is that one right there on the right hand side? All right.
Back. We're gonna fully rebuild this motor here real quick.
Rebuilding a can?
Ice cold can of rebuilding a can.
It's probably 35 outside.
Did you guys say something happened to this motor? Because I don't think it did.
And she's running and everything. Perfect. That's probably a good first coat.
Oh, that's the only coat going on. I'll tell you what.
Was something wrong with it?
I don't think so, dude. I think it's a brand new crate motor, actually. All right. Now she's fully rebuilt and
ready to go back in.
Ready for her new owner, actually.
I think you mean ready for us to go test it.
We're not in the business of screwing people over. We're in the business of making good money.
All right, Brock patched the inside hole. I just got done doing the outside hole. And
water is coming from.
We've got water escaping.
Water's coming from this cable.
Is that what it is?
That's not. That can't be good, bro.
Is it the same situation you had with your other Galaxy? Or that last C-Ray or whatever it was?
Fiberglass. Black spray paint.
Patch on the hole. It ain't even there. Damn.
That's basically camo now.
Make sure you blend it in with, spray the whole thing so it just all blends in.
Give her a little fade action.
Yeah, a little taper fade, low taper fade.
Low taper fade on the boat.
Anyway, let's show you the bottom repair. So we did the top, Brock did the top, and then I let him mix me some more. Let's see if it's hardened. Oh yeah, I think we're good. She's getting there. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. And then the bottom here, I don't think we're doing anything right, but we're doing something good. So I just hit the grinder on all that. We brake cleaned it, and then I cut out some pieces and used a bunch of resin and filled it up. So it has some structural rigidity now, not much. And then we're gonna take this polyester putty and just shape it to the hole once that dries. And then we're gonna get some glazing compound and just like sand it as much as possible and glaze it.
Definitely not glazing it.
Okay, well then we'll just use that and get it as smooth as possible.
We'll just get it as smooth as it can be.
Because they kind of epoxied the living shit out of the bottom of this boat. You can't see it, but up there it looks like that all over the place. So we're gonna fix this piece because this is like detrimental. There was an actual hole. And we might just leave the rest because this boat's free. I mean, it's not free for anybody else, but it's free for us. So we'll see. That's where we're at. Brock just whooped his own ass on this bolt right here. The motor's back in, everybody. I didn't show you guys anything because we just wanted to get it done. It's 11 o'clock now, and we were out here till...
You mean cents?
Since
Probably 8.
it was 6 o'clock, babe. What are you talking about? We've been here. I've been here since 6. It's been almost 6 hours. And I gotta work tomorrow. Anyway,
Okay, we all do, bro.
intake manifold's back on. Brock's connected all the water pump and power steering, and wiring is almost done.
We're gonna time it tomorrow. I'm gonna time it tomorrow.
I won't be here, so it's gonna all get buttoned up while I'm gone. I've got obligations. And then next time I update you, it's gonna be all fixed up and pretty, and we're probably gonna have it connected to some muffs, and we're gonna be cranking it over. How about it?
Yeah, dog.
All right. All right, the moment has come. The boat is finally back together. The Mercruiser 898. Ready for its first fire up with the JB Weld. Go for it.
All right. I don't know if we have enough fuel.
I put in a gallon.
Did you put in the rest of it?
Yeah, I put the whole thing in. Ether that bit up. We probably never. I mean, the fuel system's not primed.
Yeah, where's the ether at? Oh, forgot it actually came with some, didn't it?
Yeah, it came with its own ether.
Why did I put this on? Let's just take this off just to make it easy.
We need to prime the fuel pump. We should have done that.
Maybe. Ready?
Yep. Is that your fuel?
No, I don't think so.
Is it just backfire?
Let's see if we crank it. If it fires up, if the pump's fuel, I mean.
Yep. Holy! Bro, you
Run, Jaden! Jesus Christ.
just burned all the
Did
wiring.
you get on video?
Maybe.
I hope you did. Oh, shit.
I kind of flipped my shit. I just started running.
I just started running. Oh.
Maybe not do that.
I don't know if that's gas.
Alright, that's going to do it for this video. Like and subscribe. In the next video, it's probably going to be us running it on muffs. The timing jump, so Brock's got to figure that out. And we're going to run it on muffs and then take it down to the lake, our local lake, and test it out. So like and subscribe and stay tuned. Also, here's an update on the four-wheeler Brock sold.
Bucket helmets and screws around. Yeah, I think that's beautiful.
Go hit a lap, one more lap.
That's pretty good.
Three-wheeling it.
That was a good jump.
Pretty soft. She's ready to go. Ready to be
Is
sold.
it pull start too?
Yeah. Electric and pull.
Should we try it? Never
Yeah.
pull start with that.
It breaks your hand off. When
Not bad at all.
when it's cold, it breaks your hand off.
Rips. Yeah, eat that, suckers.
Brock sold this thing for $1,700. I think all in he's probably about $1,150 or $1,200, something like that. The guy's coming to pick it up, and that'll be the last of it.